Hello dear friends, this is Grandma Jeannie. We're going on a road trip. I am going to get a box of really fun dollhouse furniture. It's about 30 miles away, but it's such a beautiful fall day. Maybe we'll see some pretty fall colors. Look at these birds. That's crazy. Here we are. She said I'll find it sitting by the door. Here it is, a whole bag full of treasures. I can't wait to get home and get it all out and look at it. I just got home with this fun bag of furniture. Let me set it all out and I'll show you what it looks like. I've done my best to kind of sort this out for us here. The first few pieces we're gonna look at are ideal. This nice little picnic table, which I think might be kind of rare, and this little outdoor patio table with the umbrella. And a lot of times those don't have the little umbrella stick with it, and those are both ideal. This is the right size house for this furniture. This furniture is scale 116 or 118, and it is the right scale for this house, which is a Marksy mansion. This is also ideal. This is a little potty chair, and it's kind of rare. You almost never see them with the little removable potty cup, and this one has that with it. So that's a very, very nice piece. This is also ideal fireplace. The rest of these, this, and these little chairs are Plasco, and that is a nice complete kitchen set, although I don't see a refrigerator. This piece is kind of rare. It only came in a set, so it's unusual to have that. Now we're ready for the Renoir pieces. These are all Renoir. I just want to show you some of my favorite pieces. There are two of these little playpens, and they have the little tiny beads on them. Those are original, and there's 4 on each side, so that's a very nice one. And there's another one just like it. Both of those are very cute. Then we have a couple of little potty chairs. Maybe we had twins in the family. I don't know. And here they might be. These are little Renoir babies, and there are 2 of them, so maybe they did have twins. We'll put them up here in the playpen. Then we've got this little crib, and I love this little crib because it comes with this little plastic mattress inside, and the mattress has got a little baby molded into that. Isn't that sweet? And it's a little cradle, and it's got one little rocker gone, but otherwise it's in really good shape. And there's an extra one of those little babies. So if I have another little crib, I can put that in another crib. Then we have a bathroom set, and a hamper, and a baby buggy, and a high chair. And this is one of those old-fashioned ironing machines called a mangle. This one needs glued, but otherwise it's in nice shape, so I'll get that one fixed. And a washing machine, which is missing the agitator, but I believe I have an extra agitator somewhere in my supplies. And then this little playground equipment. I think the teeter-totter's in good shape. Both the little trike, the trike needs a seat, and this one needs a little glue on the handlebars. But they're still very cute, and they'll be fun for display. And then a little tiny bucket. There you go. What a fun group of furniture. Thanks so much for joining me. Remember, Grandma Jeannie loves you.